everyone, welcome back again. Now I'll be showing you some of Shravan's special recipes, and today's recipe is stuffed bananas. It's called Bharli Keli. It's a Marathi recipe. It's my mom's recipe. Very flavorful, very few ingredients, quick and easy recipe. Let's get started. Come on.
This recipe is usually made during Shravan month for Janmashtami. Try to use fresh grated coconut and we will just sauté this for a few minutes to cook down the raw flavor. We need to chop the jaggery into small pieces for it to melt quickly. It will take a few minutes but keep stirring so that it doesn't brown on the bottom. This looks good and we will add some more flavor to it. Mix well and we will keep this aside for it to cool to room temperature. Use extra large bananas if possible or use more for the stuffing to be used completely. We will cut these into equal parts, say about 4 inches each. Just slit them in the center but not all the way through. If you have not subscribed already, then go ahead and press the subscribe button and also the bell icon to be notified with any new recipes that I post every week. Start filling them with the cool coconut stuffing we made earlier. Try to fill these tightly. Grease a baking dish and arrange the stuffed bananas in a single layer. Now condensed milk will make them even better and take these to another level of yumminess, but it's totally optional if you don't like. Now we will bake these uncovered for 15 minutes. Check the description box for the complete recipe. Look at how awesome these look and I have to tell you, these are so yummy.
This is such a quick and easy recipe and I'm sure you will love it as much as my family loves it too.
Thank you for watching.
Such a quick and easy recipe, right? So now this recipe, you can have it in your dessert collection. You don't have to make it only during the Shravan month. You can use it as a dessert for your friends. You can serve this with ice cream and chocolate syrup. Perfect, don't you think? If you like my recipes, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified with all the new recipes that I post every week. And as usual, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.